Good morning from Middleton. This is a 2017 67 plate Fiat 500 1.2 Popstar. It's just two owners, 24,800 miles, full service history with 7 service stamps, Cambelt replaced last year and just been serviced. It's in beautiful condition. The lady has bought a new car from us. It's in this smooth mint, and I'll show you inside. It's got what they call ivory ambience. This is the ivory coloured steering wheel and dashboard surrounds. So air conditioning there. Very clean and tidy inside. The wheels are in nice condition. It's a really cared for car in a great colour scheme. The Mark IV model has these safety LED rear lights. Decent sized boot. And all nice and clean and tidy in the back. Just show you from this side. The seat bolsters are in good condition. Body coloured dashboard. So there we are, a 2017 67 plate Fiat 500 1.2 Popstar, economical small car. Full information's on our website, which is middletonfiat.co.uk. That's middletonfiat.co.uk. Thanks for looking.